I'm Noah. I'm Jonah. Okay, so today we made the Anima wheel. Anima stands for animal, and the wheel stands for because it has wheels, not legs. So, when it moves, and it senses the wall, and then it moves back, it turns around, and goes a different direction. And if it sees another wall, do the same thing, and until you off it. And now Noah will tell you how the programming and what struggles we had. So this one the struggle only have one thing, is that if you use the if block and it doesn't work if you use this block plus the if block like this. Like this, it doesn't work. But if you use the wait until block, it does work. So yeah. And the programming is easy. First you start these motors and they go, and wait until when it's 10 centimeters, it will turn back. It will turn like sideways and then go forward, and it repeats forever with the forever block. And it has an ultrasonic to do the distance. We added this, but it doesn't actually work. This is the wheel motors, and this is the brain, and this is the tail.